there is about 5 and 6 degrees of hair damages on the top, and about 11 degrees of damages at the end of the hair. So let's see how we are going to do with this type of hair. Firstly, we put some hot water in the bowl. We add some cream. Step by step, I'll show you how we repair the hair, the damaged hair. Remember, I'm trying to give the end of the hair a pre-perm repair, the pre-perm repair liquid. This is what we use in our Chinese hair factory. We make the curl for the customers, can last a long time, but a lot of clients, they don't know actually. And then we will brush the softener on healthy hair. Yeah, keep brushing the softener on the healthy hair. Importantly, remember, the most importantly in your hair business, you must use the healthy hair, the high quality hair, to follow this way, to make curl and color. So that will not have any problem with your whole process. If you use a very bad quality hair will be dead. Very important. Importantly, the most important thing is, remember, keep in mind, only use the high quality hair. You can do this step by step. Only high quality hair can follow the whole process. If you use very cheap quality hair to do this process, you will definitely damage your hair and waste your money. So keep in mind, only high quality hair.
Q 弹 Q 卷。